Hello everyone, welcome to day number 29 of Codetober. In today's video I am going to show you the mod function because we saw it in the sum, I believe, in the sum function from the arrays module, and I'm not sure if you know what this does, so I am going to explain it really quick. This is going to be a short video. So I take the example, I put it here, and if we do 3 mod 2, then we have 1. This is basically dividing 3 and 2, and then whatever is left behind is going to be the 1. So if we divide 3 by 2, we get 1, but then we also have like a 1 left. I'm not sure how to do this in English because I learned how to do this in Spanish, so I am not 100% sure of the terminology that I have to use. But yes, you get the point. So if you divide 4 by 2, you get a 2, and the rest would be 0. So in this case, we have 0. And for example, if we divide 2.2 or 2.2 by 2, then what we have left is 0.2, which is what we have here. All right, that was a quick video. I just wanted to make sure that you did know what this function was doing. So if you didn't understand what was happening on like 2 videos before, you can now go ahead and rewatch it, and now you know what I'm talking about. Cool. All right. Comment below if you want me to do anything else. Follow me on socials at Martinez and subscribe right here. See you on the next video. Thank you.